So how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario, this is MEDIABOXENT, and today I want to show you this great body cam. Now this guy has a 64 gigabyte memory pre-installed. It can record, I said, about 6 hours and 50 minutes. You can upgrade all the way to 128. Battery wise, between 6 and 8 hours. It's an HD 1080, takes pictures, videos. It has zoom and allow you the camera to rotate 180 degrees. So we can move the camera. But really what I want to do, I got some great videos too. I just grabbed my scooter and I record a test drive with this. But I want to show you all the details. We're going to do that right now.
All right, so let's see what we got out of the package. So we have the thumb drive. Now, the reset pin, the USB cable Type-C, so you can plug it right in your computer and for charging purpose. The body cam, super compact. Now if you're looking right in the front, so we have the screen. Now the camera that's 1080 and allow you to rotate. By the way, through the menu you can set a 1080 or 720. So we can go 90 degrees in 180. Now microphone on both sides, that's a speaker. We're looking right on the side, powered on, and this is to rotate between video, pictures, and the memo, voice only. So it comes automatic with 64 gigabyte. We can upgrade all the way to 120. Battery wise, you should be able to get between 6 and 8 hours. Now we can install this in the tripod. Now this is put it right in the pocket. And once again, let me turn it on. So pretty simple. You're gonna press the power and it comes on. Very straightforward. And automatic is going to default to video mode. And the way it's going to work, pretty simple. You're going to press the send button once and automatic starts recording. Press once again, turns off. If you want to go and take pictures, cycle to the picture mode, and every time you press, this is going to take a picture. If you want a memo, cycle once again. You have the microphone, press once, you have recorded another voice memo, press once again, turns off, and we can cycle back again. Now, to turn the LED, as you see now, the soft is pretty simple. You're going to press the down button, hold it for a few seconds, and it comes on. So now you can just go, and you have a little thing to show you right there. You can see the light mode is on. I'm going to press it, and automatically, if you see, you get the number counting, and it will let me know how many hours you have. You have the day and time. Now the nice thing with this, let's turn it off, and with this camera, when you plug it in right in your computer, by the way, so when you use the USB Type-C right there, and by the way, this is for reset. The nice thing with this, if you want to use this as a webcam, allow you to use a webcam, or be able to remove all your files from the memory without and unplug the micro SD, or use the little adapter plug in your computer, and you will see 3 directories. One is for pictures, another one is for audio, and another one will be for video. And now what I want to do now, I want to show you a little test. I went with my scooter and I did a little video, and also take some shots. I want you guys to see that.
I think it's a great idea as a personal recorder. Definitely if you ride a bike, a scooter, bicycle, for safety reason, I think it's a great idea to carry one of these devices with you. You never know what you can find on the road. So this is why you need to get this body cam. I would say number 1, safety. Number 2, evidence. Never know when you need one of those. And the third one, fun. All right, so pretty simple. Grab the link either in the description or the comment of this video, and that's it. You need one for yourself. I'll see you next time. I'm Dario, this is MEDIABOXENT. Bye.